Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah. Uh, my ID number 10240068, and I'm from class 10 to A07, and I'm from Binasarana Informatika University, branch Ramat 98. Uh, my department is Rekayasa Perangkat Lunak. No, no, sorry, software engineering. Okay. And now I'm presentation the topic computer and hardware. Let's go. Okay. Okay. In general, in general, the definition. In general, the definition a computer is an electronic device be as that can be as that can be as that can be that can be asked to process to pro, to process data according to procedure that that have been formulate so that it will produce information that is useful for the user. Definition: a computer is an electronic device consisting of a series of various components that are interconnected so that they will form a working system. The system in the computer can do work automatically based on the program ordered to it so that it can produce information based on existing data and programs. Et, etymol, etymol, et, Etymologically, the word computer comes from Latin, namely computer, which means to calculate. So, in simple terms, the definition of a computer is a tool as to calculate arithmetic. History of computers. The history of computers spans centuries, starting with mechanical calculating device like the abacus and progressing through various generations of electronic computers. Key milestones include the development of the analytical engine by Carlos Babbage, the invention of the first programmable electronic digital computer, the ENIAC, and the rise of personal computers in the late 20th century. Early ancient time, the abacus, a manual counting device, was asked for calculations for thousands of years. 7th century, Blaise Pascal invent a mechanical calculator that called it, and Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz designed a calculator that called it subtract, multiply, and divide. 19th century. Carlos Babbage designed the difference engine and the analytical engine, which were early concepts for modern computers, though they were never fully built. Electronic era. World War II. The ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. The first generation electronic digital computer was developed during this period. Post-war, the development of transistors and integrated circuits led to smaller, faster, and more powerful computers. 1970, 100, 1170, the Altair XX00 considered the first personal computer was introduced. 19X0 present, the rise of microprocessor and the internet revolutionized computing, making computers accessible to a wider audience. Key concept and milestones. Carlos Babbage analytical engine, designed for a general purpose computer with programmable memory, arithmetic unit, and logic processor capability. Ada Lovelace algorithm, considered the first computer program intended to be carried out by Babbage analytical engine. ENIAC, the first general purpose electronic digital computer, paving the way for modern computing, transistors, and integrated circuits. This technological advancement led to smaller, faster, and more energy efficient computers. Microprocessor. The development of the microprocessor in the 1970 led to creation of the personal computer. Internet. The internet revolutionized communication and information access, further accelerating the growth of the computer industry. Modern computing. Computers continue to evolve rapidly with increasing processing power, storage capacity, and networking capabilities. The development of mobile computing device and cloud computing have further expanded to reach of computing. In general, a computer consists of three main hardware. Hardware device consists of a processor, RAM, hard disk, motherware, and CPU. Software is the operating system and also various applications that are in there entered in, into the hardware and work according of to the commands from the user. Computer users, brainware, are users or computer operators who was computers. Computer components, based on their function, components in computer can be divided in uh, into three groups, namely input, process, and output. Input components. This component is a hardware component that functions as a command giver for various tasks that will be given to the computer. Some of these input components include keyboard provide input the form of alphanumeric and other ASCII, ASCII interpretation, interpretations, mouse and trackpad, tools that connect brainware to the monitor screen, pen for touchscreen, its function to similar to a mouse but its shape is like a pen, scanner, a tool for scanning image that will be entered into the computer system, microphone, a tool for inputting data in the form of audio, process component. This component has a function to process data or process command brainware which are then displayed of the output component. Some 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 process some process component include processor, which is the main component in the data processing process, motherboard, which is a component that connects various other components in a computer, hard disk, which is a component for storing permanent data in a computer, such as a computer operating system. Okay. Output components. Output components are components that have a function of displaying information from commands that have been processed by the computer. Some output components include monitor, a computer component that can display to process the process being worked on by a computer. Printer, a component that can print information into hard copy form. Speaker, a component that can produce output in the form of audio or sound. Decoration. No, sorry, decoration. Computer hardware is a collective term as to describe any of the physical components of an analog or digital computer. The term hardware distinguish the tangible aspects of a computing device from software, which consists of write machine readable instruction or programs that tell physical components what to do and when to execute the instructions. Hardware and software are complementary. Complementary, a computing device can function efficiently and product as full output only when both hardware and software work together appropriate, appropriately. Computer hardware can be categorized as being either internal or external components. Generally, internal hardware components are thus necessary for the proper functioning of the computer, while external hardware components are attached to the computer to add or enhance functionality. What are internal computer hardware components? Internal components collectively process or storage instructions delivered by the program or operating system. These include the following: motherboard. This is a print circuit board that holds the central processing unit, CPU, and other essential internal hardware and functions as the central hub that all other hardware components run through. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that process and executes digital instructions from various programs. Its clock speed determines the computer's performance and efficiency in processing data. RAM. RAM or dynamic RAM is temporary memory storage that makes include um, immediately accessible to programs. RAM is volatile memory, so store it, clear it when the computer powers off. Hard drive. Hard disk drives are physical storage device that store both permanent and temporary data in different formats, including programs, OS, device files, photos, etc. Solid state drive (SSD). SSD are solid state storage device based on NAND flash memory technology. SSD are not volatile, so they can safely store data even when the computer is powered down. Optical drive. Optical drives typically reside in an on-device drive bay. They they enable the computer to read and interact with non-magnetic external media, compact disk, read-only memory, or digital video disks. Heatsink. This is a passive pitch of hardware that draws heat away from components to regulate reduce their temperature to help ensure they continue to function properly. Typically, and a heatsink is installed directly atop the CPU, which produces the most heat among internal components. Other computing components such as USB ports, power supplies, transistors, transistors and chips are also types of internal hardware. What are external hardware components? External hardware components, also called peripheral components, are those items that are often externally connected to the computer to control either input or output functions. These hardware devices are designed to either provide instructions to the software input or render results from its execution output. What are external hardware components? External hardware components, also called peripheral components, are those items that are often externally uh, to the computers to control either input or output functions. These hardware devices are designed to either provide instructions to the software input or render results from its execution output. Common 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 input hardware components include uh, these following. Mouse is a handheld pointing device, moves a cursor around a computer screen and enables instruction with objects on the screen. It may be wired or wireless. keyboard. A keyboard is an input device featuring a standard QWERTY key set that enables users to input text, numbers, or special characters. Microphone. A microphone is a device that translates waves into electrical signals and supports computer audio communications. Camera. A camera captures visual image and streams them to the computer or through a computer to a network device. Touchpad. A touchpad is an input device external or built into a laptop as to control the pointer on a display screen. It is typically an alternative to an external mouse. Okay, uh, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.